Girls, ladies, women, let's face it, vlogging is fun, right? But let me ask you, if your channel is not yet monetized, have you bothered to check the financial strength of your channel? And if your channel is monetized, is it paying the bills? How long does it take you to make the YouTube $100 withdrawal threshold? In today's video, I will show you why changing to a financial channel could be the smartest decision you have ever made. I'll walk you through 15 powerful insights that will open your eyes to the possibilities of this highly profitable niche. And if you're ready to level up, we are starting right now. Let's start with YouTube niche overview. YouTube is vast, with niches ranging from how to and style, beauty, tech, gaming, lifestyle, vlogging, finance, education, fitness, DIY, cooking, and travel. Each niche has its own audience, but not all niches are created equal when it comes to monetization and growth potential. Now, what makes vlogging popular? Vlogging gives viewers a window into your personal life, and it also enables building strong emotional connection with your audience. While vlogging is great for relatability, it often lacks depth and long-term monetization potential unless you are a celebrity in a particular niche. Take, for instance, in the lifestyle niche and daily vlogs, Casey Neistat. He's known for his creative daily vlogs and cinematic storytelling. Emma Chamberlain, she is popular for this her relatable and quickie lifestyle content. Zoella, she's also known as Zoe Sword. She's one of the pioneers in beauty, lifestyle, and home vlogging. And Alicia Maria, whom focuses on lifestyle, DIYs, and daily vlogs. While in the travel vlog or traveling vloggers, Cara and Nate being famous for their couple travel vlogs. Louisa Cole, also known as Fun for Louisa, known for her adventurous travel vlogging. Drabinski, whom explores countries and cultures around the world. Lost LeBlanc, whom focuses on travel tips and breathtaking visuals. While in tech vloggers, Marquez Brownlee, who is also known as MKBHD, reviews gadgets and tech trends. Also, Linus Tech Tip Home covers PC builds, tech gadgets, and reviews. And last but not the least, I Johnson, whom combines lifestyle and tech reviews in her content. These YouTubers have mastered the art of making things in their niche go viral. It's more like anything they touch turns into gold. Don't get me wrong. I am not saying that you are not going to become one famous YouTuber someday. No, I am saying that most of these content creators, most of these vloggers started YouTube from the very early days. And now their name is more like a niche. Their name has become like a niche. You can go online and search for these people and they will pop up. Plus, they have a team that makes everything they work on become so easy. Unlike you, who is a one-man business. Why the finance niche stands out. You may agree with me or not, but the life of every woman revolves around three things. 1, money. 2, health. 3, relationship. And it turns out that these are some of the highest paying niches on YouTube. Now, my advice to you is this. In order to position yourself in a niche where you can constantly be winning, you have to jump into the finance niche. Finance channels thrive on high-value content that solve real-life problems. You see, topics like budgeting, investing, and side hustles attract not only loyal viewers, but also premium advertisers. And that's where the money is. You see, I'm not shouting like in my usual video because I really want this to sink. Now, this point I'm about to talk about is even one of the most important points, which is CPM comparison between vlogging channels and finance channel. Finance channel can earn up to $15 to $20 CPM compared to vlogging channels where the average CPM is $3 to $5. That is like 6 times the earnings for the same amount of effort that it will take you to create a vlogging video, to create a finance video that will make you 6 times the same amount of money. Now, what is CPM? In order not to bore you with so much grammar, CPM means cost per mil. That is the amount of money that YouTube will pay you per every 1,000 views that you get on your video. Now, according to YouTube terms, this varies based on three factors. That is audience location, niche, and content of your video. So if you choose the finance niche, you have already gotten 2 out of 3. That leads me to my next point. Longevity of finance content. Why vlogs can quickly become outdated? Because it is your current life recorded. The moment people are done watching it, they are done and it is forgotten. And most times vlogging videos are not SEO based, meaning they are not searchable. Why finance content are often evergreen? The reason is because people keep looking for how to make their women especially keep looking for ways on how to make their financial lives better. So topics like budgeting, a budgeting tutorial or an investment guide will remain relevant for years, driving consistent views. Building authority in finance niche. Unlike vlogging, which is personally driven, finance allows you to build a reputation as an expert over time. This credibility opens doors to speaking gigs, partnership, and book deals. The learning curve is manageable. Don't be intimidated by the finance niche. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be an economist. Start with topics you understand, like saving money, side hustles, apps that pay $1 for people to perform social tasks, budgeting or simple investment tips, and grow as you learn. Higher sponsorship rates. Brands in the finance space like banks, credit card companies, and financial apps have bigger budgets for sponsorships. Single deal in this niche can pay significantly more than lifestyle collaborations. Imagine getting a deal with OPay. Imagine getting a deal with PamPay. Imagine getting a deal with any of these microfinance banks, or imagine getting a deal with MoneyPoint. Now I believe you understand what I'm talking about, right? Women are underserved in finance content. Now, this is a content gap that you can fill. See, finance channels are often dominated by male content creators, which create a massive opportunity for women, especially you, because you are right here on this platform, you are right here on YouTube. Your unique perspective can inspire and empower other women to take charge of their finances. The importance of women being financially stable. See, financial independence isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. Finance Channel equips you with the tools to manage your own money while teaching others to do the same. Knowing also that you are not just building wealth, you are building confidence. This is something valuable that you can also transfer to your children, specifically your daughters. Community over competition. Vlogging is competitive because the market is oversaturated. In contrast, the finance niche fosters a sense of community because the audience seeks guidance, not entertainment, making the engagement more meaningful. Why? Because they want to reach out to you directly to see how you're able to solve a particular financial problem, to also share into your own financial mistakes, experience, and profits. Diversified income streams. When you are into the finance niche, you have opened yourself to multiple streams of income because finance content leads itself into multiple streams of income, which ranges from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, selling of courses, ebooks, and consultation services. And because of this, you are not just limited to a single revenue source. Remember, to become rich, you need to have multiple streams of income. Scalability of finance content. It doesn't matter where women are in the world, wherever they are, they want to make money because it is important for them. Why? Because money makes the world go round. Yeah, they say women rule the world, but how can they rule the world without money? You get what I'm saying? And that's to say, finance topics have universal appeal, allowing you to scale your channel globally. Why vlogging often relies on personal appeal, which may not necessarily translate across cultures or religions. Leveraging trends in finance niche. From cryptocurrency to recession-proof investment, the finance niche is constantly evolving. By staying on top of trends, you can position your channel as a go-to resource for timely advice. Also know this, your voice matters. Women need role models in finance, and your voice could be that one voice that sparks change. By starting a finance channel, you are not just creating content, you are creating impact. Listen, it's time to make the switch. Vlogging may be fun, but finance is the future. If you want to build a legacy, help others, and secure your own financial freedom, the finance niche is calling your name. So answer it. Let me know in the comment section if you're ready to start your finance journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, watch the video on the screen right now because that is the video that the YouTube algorithm thinks you should watch next.